Yuchan. I get 25,000 when I buy what? First, I buy pen and pencil because focus in class. And I buy snack because snack is very delicious and sweet. So go Daiso because I want many snacks and pen is more good. I buy snack and pens. Second, I want to buy delicious food because eat delicious food feel very happy and exciting. So have 25,000 when I buy delicious food and eat tteokbokki because spice and sweet, and chicken and pizza school and pizza. I think it very happy. In conclusion, I get 25,000 won. I buy snack and pen and delicious food. So when very many, so I like pen, food and snack. So I want to buy pen and snack and chicken, pizza or tteokbokki. Thank you for listening.